How to clear the cache and cookies in the Chrome browser. On your computer, open the Chrome browser by double-clicking on its icon. At the top right corner of the Chrome window, locate and click on the More icon. It looks like 3 vertical dots. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Clear Browsing Data. You will be presented with a dialog box titled Clear Browsing Data. At the top, you'll see the option to choose a time range. To delete all cache and cookies, select All Time. Now let's focus on the checkboxes below the time range option. Check the boxes next to cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These are the elements we want to clear. Once you have selected the checkboxes, it's time to clear the data. Click on the Clear Data button, which is located at the bottom right corner of the dialog box. And there you have it! You now already deleted all the selected data from your Google Chrome and sync devices. Before we finish, we would like to hear from you. If there are any specific topics or tutorials you would like us to cover in our future videos, please let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.